This is compound helicopter hog hunting. We're going to go try out the new Gen 2 Sabo sight and see what it can do out in the field.
This just happened. I've never flew in an airplane in my entire life. All I'm trying to do is hold on to my bow, so if I do see something, I'll have a bow at least.
Yeah. All right, get some. Let's take them down.
Oh,
you got enough
my
ammo,
God,
Luke?
dude, this is
You ready? Here we go.
insane.
Make a pin cushion out of it.
Oh, baby, I'm mounting him. I'm mounting him. Skull mounting him. Right here, baby. You just put that red dot, whatever way you want to hit. Just don't lead them. Don't lead them. Put it right on it.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. Good old headshot, just like we did every time. That's awesome, buddy. Luke, what do you say about that, man?
Is the most fun I have ever had in my entire life.
Luke had never been on any type of aircraft, any type of aircraft ever. You two, go up. We don't have that much time. Alright guys, just got done with the first ever compound bow helicopter hog hunt with a Sabo sight. Got your delta rail for your camera. How'd it go, Luke? Tell us about it.
It was an experience of a lifetime. It's not something that you can go out and just do with any kind of equipment. It's definitely something that you have to put a lot of thought and energy and devotion into a site and have trust in it that you can go out and do something like this. It is freaking awesome.
Mr. Bowhunt, how did your hunt go? Tell us a little bit about it.
It went good. It took us a little while to get a hog up, but when we finally got her up, I lined it up with the peat. First shot, boom, out of helicopter, man, it's just like in the yard. Then I wanted to see it got way too brave. I drew her back and kicked her a little sideways and got the pins completely out of line with it. Side completely to the side, could still see the dot, bam! Right in the front, she went down right there. Like, oh, good Lord, that's fun. The thing right there takes all the guesswork out of torquing your hand and everything. I mean, that's the ticket right there. That's the way to go.
Shooting as long as we have, we understand about anchor points and you know what it takes to really make a good shot in a pressured situation. And whenever you can take all the guesswork out of something, pull back and make a good ethical shot on something, I mean, it costs a lot of money to go up and do this stuff, and whenever you've got a lot of money on the line and a lot of devotion to a product, you have to make sure that it's flawless, and we proved it today.
That's it. That's right.
All right, guys. Well, best part, did you have fun?
We had a ball. We had a blast. Too much. Some new broadheads by Flying Arrow Archery. Toxic. We just screwed these on this morning. I got out there and shot them on my old broadheads, and he shot the same group. I shot 25 yards, had me a little quarter-size group, better than what I usually shoot. And I said, well, we're fixing to shoot out of a helicopter. We're going to see just how good these jokers are. First shot, probably 4 inches from where I aimed, tucked it up in like that. She ran, what, probably 60 yards, and got up on her again, shot the second arrow, give her just a little bit more lead, and that thing flew just as pretty as you want to look at. Straight to her, straight to shot. She went maybe 5 yards, flew. Just what we wanted to see. When something does right, you don't have to brag on it. It shows you itself, and these right here works. No doubt. If you ain't got them, better check them out.